Hey guys, welcome to the Little Brown Seed. Today I'm going to be making some cupcakes. Here's the recipe. So first what we're doing is we need to whisk 2 eggs together in this bowl here. So just gotta crack it and then one egg, and I'm sorry if there's some noise in the background. It's just my little sister. And then you gotta get 2 eggs. Okay, now I'm gonna put these things in here. Give my hands a quick wash. Okay. Now we're gonna whisk them together. Wait, no, that won't work. How can I get you to see this? Okay. Here is the eggs. That's good. Just a tiny bit more, I reckon. Gotta mix them well. See you soon. Okay. So I have finished whisking the eggs, and now just preheat the oven to 160 degrees. Let's do that. Yep. Here it is. Here. Sorry. So it says, it's not on. Try to go here. Can't find it. Put it onto that. Sorry if the filming is a bit shaky on this. 160 degrees. Let me just see. Look and see if it says. Yeah, 160. We can do the. We can. Oops, sorry. We'll fill this thing later. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, so now it says 0 grams with this on. Now I'm gonna weigh out butter. So it says 125 grams of this butter here. I'm gonna get a knife and we're going to cut this. Remove that. Okay. Just gonna make a cut down the hip. And then we can just see how much. Okay, so it's 0 right now. I'm just gonna put this butter in. 55 grams. More butter. So I'm gonna make another cut here. That much. 100. I'm gonna make kind of a little bit here. 114. I'm really sorry about her. She's loud. 14. 21. Okay, that's good. Okay, ignore me. I'm not good, weirdo. So we need a spatula. So it's a bit more than what we need, but that's okay. Okay, we're gonna get this pan. Hold on, wait. This is heavy. I'm gonna grab this. I can't carry it. It's so heavy. Oops. Okay, so I got it on the saucepan. it says to put it on low heat. So we go. It's high. That's meant to be low heat, but I'm going to put it a bit higher so that it cooks a bit faster. I'm going to put it there. Put the butter on a saucepan. Now we need to add flour, sugar, baking powder in a bowl. And then mix it. Now it says to use self-raising flour. And I'm using plain flour. So I need to add more baking powder to make it like self-raising. How much flour do we need? Sorry if there's people talking in the background and it's a bit loud and annoying. Sorry. There's never silence in this house. $260 grams flour. Okay, so this is how much flour we've got. We just got a new thing yesterday. No, 260. Really sorry if there's people talking in the background. I can't help it. Can't stop my dad from talking to his mom. Actually, I probably could, but that's kind of mean. Okay. Sorry, I'm crazy. It's just what I do. So I need like 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Because it says to add. Oh my! I just dropped it, but it didn't open luckily. So we need 1 teaspoon per cup. Then there's also a third of a cup. So I'm just going to do 3 teaspoons. It's a bit more than what we need, but maths, not today. Okay. Here we are. We'll do a bit less on one of them, so then it's kind of even. 2, and then we'll do like half of one. That's good. Oh, that's dirty, jeez. Sugar, how much sugar do we need? Sugar, how much sugar do we need? 165 grams. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys. This is 1 gram. No, I just set it to 0, so then we can measure it without it being hard. Okay, sorry. Okay, so I just put the sugar in. I just took the butter off here. I couldn't film because it was like bubbling and burning a little bit. I completely forgot about it. So I'm just going to let it sit for a little while, so hopefully it doesn't burn anymore. So we got the flour, sugar, and everything in here. Going to need the spatula. It's got a bit of egg on it. That's just weird. Wait, no. So we need to sift these all together. It's really heavy. Now, guys, can you comment down below if you want me to do like a gaming channel? That'd kind of be fun. And then I'm playing like Among Us and Minecraft and stuff. I don't have Roblox. I don't know why I don't. I kind of don't really like it, but I can get it if you guys really want me to. So yeah, comment down below if you want me to do some gaming on this channel. Sifting it all together, sifting it all together, sifting it all together. I feel like I've made these cupcakes like heaps of times, and there's heaps and heaps of flour here. I just put the rest of the sugar in. Now we've got to stir it with a spatula. Okay. Oh, I need to hold the bowl in place. Okay, so this is actually proving to be way harder than what I thought. So I'm just going to stop you guys here. I'm just going to mix it here because I can't film whilst mixing it. The filming device is too heavy. Comment down below what do you reckon I'm filming on. Just saying, I haven't got a good camera. That seems done to me. So the next step is... Okay, well now I need a bigger bowl because, well, I haven't got a big bowl because I haven't. That was okay. Okay, got to dry this. It's drying an even bigger bowl. Because, I'm sorry if you can hear my sister just yelling, let's get this video started in the background. She keeps making like these weird random videos. They're really bad. But, well, mine are kind of bad as well. You want to roast someone else, but then you end up roasting yourself. Alright, it says to add the amount of butter, eggs, vanilla, and milk together. So I'm going to add the egg first because it's the easiest to pour in. Oh, I could have... never mind. Never mind. Okay, hopefully this butter isn't burnt because I don't have much more butter to melt. Spatula. Pour the butter in. Please don't tell me you're burnt, baby. And comment down below if you've got any more cooking tips or hacks, like how to tell if your butter's burnt. It looks like so far. And then 3, 2, 1, I'm going to add the vanilla and the milk. Okay. So I did a mistake. I added 1 cup of milk instead of half a cup. So I hope it doesn't ruin it because I can't make this again. That's just not good. Okay, so I need to mix it using a whisk. And hopefully it's not too runny. Okay, well it's quite runny. Well, I did add a cup of extra milk. I always have to do this to myself, don't I? It actually doesn't seem too bad. It is a bit runny, obviously. I added half a cup of extra milk. It's actually pretty good. Looks like it actually seems pretty good, if I do say so myself. You're gonna do this. Okay, so I need to oil this so then the cupcakes don't stick. And I'm gonna leave one in the corner without, so then I can like see if it like comes out clean or if it like doesn't. I know it's not, but like it's a cool experiment. Okay. Thanks, then. Mixture into these cups. Okay, Dad, I reckon that's enough now. Okay, so I finished this, but I've still got a lot of batter left. So I got down this one. The holes are a bit bigger, but... Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. I just put the other ones in the oven. It only filled 2.5 of them because they were really big. So they might need to stay in for a bit longer because the cupcakes are bigger. So, well, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.